In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share eBay listings on Facebook using the eBay social sharing tool. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process, making it easy for you to showcase your eBay items on one of the largest social media platforms. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. This step is crucial since all the sharing features are accessible only when you're signed in. If you haven't already, make sure your username and password are handy for a smooth login process. Now, once you're in, head over to the item page of the product you want to share. It might be something you've just listed or a long time offer waiting for the perfect buyer. Take a moment to review the page, ensuring everything is up to date and accurate. This is critical because you want potential buyers to have all the correct information from the start. Scroll down the page and keep an eye out for the share button, which is typically located near the title or description of the item. This button is your gateway to sharing on social media. It's designed to be convenient and save you time, so make sure to locate it. Click on the Facebook icon that you'll find among the sharing options. Clicking this icon is a direct way to tell eBay you'd like to share this listing on Facebook. It's simple and quick, and in just a few moments you'll see a pop-up window appear on your screen. This pop-up window is your space to personalize the post you'll be sharing. However, before you proceed, the system may ask you to log into your Facebook account if you're not already logged in. This step ensures that the post is going to the correct Facebook page or profile. Once you're logged in, you'll find a box where you can add a personal touch to your post. Customizing your post is a great way to engage your audience. You have the freedom to add a short caption or a catchy message that makes your listing more appealing. For instance, you might say something like, "Just listed, grab this limited edition Nike hoodie before it's gone, free shipping." Use this opportunity to highlight any exciting features or promotions to capture attention. Finally, after you're satisfied with your customized message, go ahead and click the share button. This final click will publish your post to Facebook, reaching your friends and followers, and potentially attracting new buyers to your eBay listing. And that's it. You've successfully shared an eBay listing on Facebook. With these steps, you can easily expand your reach and engage with more potential buyers. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.